All fine? Yes. Chalo, welcome back all of you. Okay then, let's start off now. Sharing my screen with all of you. This is what we had done in the last class, okay? We have done the river Kaveri, and we have done the smaller rivers that we have along the west coast. For Kaveri, what all do we need to mark? We need to mark Mysore. We must have Salem with us. Salem you mark with the reference of Kaddalore. We must have these three places, which is Karur, which is Tanjavur, and which is Trichy. These three places. Okay, and then you join this like a pan like this. So the approximate shape of Kaveri is something like this. This is where you have Mysore. Somewhere here you have got Salem and Mettur. Then we have Karur, we have Trichy, and we have Tanjavur. Itna pata hai to Kaveri is done. Now to this we will add couple of tributaries of Kaveri. This is Mysore. This is Salem. You mark Salem, Karur, and Madurai in almost one line. And this is Trichy, this is Tanjavur, okay? You mark this. Now there are 2-3 rivers I said on the head stream, yahan par. In the head stream, if you're all looking at this side here, the head stream mein, there are 3-4 rivers. Okay, we have got river Shimsha, we have river Kabani, we have river Hemvati, and we also have this river called as Lakshman Tirath. Okay, all the 4 rivers, do not take too much of pain for this. All the 4 rivers, near Mysore, you can draw one small line. So at Mysore, you can draw one. So Mysore aapne mark kiya hai. So if I take up the next sheet here, okay. So look at this. Okay, this is Hassan. Here is Hassan. This is Bangalore, and somewhere here is Mysore here. Okay, so this is Hassan here. This is Bangalore here, and this is Mysuru. At Mysuru, just draw a small line like this. Does not matter which river you want to draw. And this one small line you mark for all of them. You mark for Shimsha River. You mark for Kabani River. You also mark for Hemvati River. And you mark for Lakshman Tirath also. ये चारों के लिए यही small line mark करना. All clear? Okay, and what do you write about this? Can anybody tell me what will you write about this? Okay, you write down, this is a head stream. These are the head streams of Kaveri. Okay, source in the Western Ghats. Okay, they join the main Kaveri near Mysore. And at Mysore, we have what's called as Trisangam. Mysore is also called as the Trisangam. And at Trisangam, we have the dam. Okay, you remember which dam we have here on Kaveri? Krishna Sagar Dam. Yes, and Vrindavan Gardens. Okay, and it's a small seasonal river. That's all. Nothing more to talk about. The name of the rivers are Shimsha River, okay, Kabani River, Kabani, Kabani River, Hemvati River, and Lakshman Tirath. Mark all the rivers near Kaveri, a small line, the way I have marked here, and just leave it. And what do you write about this? You write these 4-5 things. Head stream of Kaveri, source in the Western Ghats. They join the main Kaveri near Mysore. Mysore combination creates Trisangam. The rivers come and meet near Kaveri. And we have the Krishna Dam. Okay, that's all. It's a peninsular river fed by the rains. So these are all seasonal and fed by the rains. That's all. You'll not break your head beyond this. Now, next is, there are a couple of other small rivers and they're important. Like we have this river called Amravati and we have the river called as Noyil. Yil. Noyil and Amravati River. Now, Noyil and Amravati, remember, they both go and join the main Kaveri near Karur. Write down, please. They join the main Kaveri near Karur. 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 You have marked Karur already. The source of Amravati is Cardamom Hills and the source of Noil is from Palaghat, from near Palaghat. Likha aapne? So I'm talking about two more rivers. One river is Amravati. Second river is Noil. Noil river source jo hai, the source of this river is Palaghat, and it flows through Coimbatore. Joins the main Kaveri near Karur. Amravati ka source hai Cardamom Hills from near, again, Periyar Lake, and this joins the main Kaveri near Karur. Okay, so if you have this diagram with you, now look at this diagram. So Coimbatore to mark kar liya aapne, above Trivandrum mark kiya hai. Remember, you have marked, so this is where you have marked Coimbatore. Okay, so Palaghat somewhere near here, Palaghat, and this is the region for Periyar Lake, Cardamom Hills. So you just have to draw two small rivers. So ye Karur hai. So draw this as Noil and draw this as Amravati. That's all. I repeat, this is Coimbatore, this river here coming like this. This is river Noil from Coimbatore, and one river comes from like this, aise nikal lo. This is Amravati. You know, this word near is a very powerful word. Okay, aap near laga ke bahut kuch likh sakte ho. Where is Bay of Bengal? Where is Arabian Sea? Where is Himalayas? Near India, near Western India, near Eastern India. Where is Delhi? Okay, it is, where is Noida? Near Delhi. वैसे ही the near word is a very powerful word. Use it very liberally for map pointing. From the southern hill complex, from near Cardamom Hills, okay, it flows from near southern Tamil Nadu, goes and joins near Karur. So are we done with Kaveri now? You know the head streams of Kaveri. You know river Noil. Noil is a pretty important river passing from near Coimbatore, near Coimbatore. And all of them go and join main Kaveri near Karur. That is about river Kaveri. Okay, let's move on now. So I'm done with Kaveri river, okay? Okay, let us move on now. Next we will do river Krishna. Now to mark Krishna, you need 4 or 5 entries. Okay, I'm taking up a fresh sheet now. Okay, please listen to this. So here we have, this is Mumbai, okay? We need some entries, okay? We have Mumbai. We need to mark Pune, okay? I hope you can recall Pune. Agar Mumbai yahan par hai, this is Nasik here, and this is Pune here, okay? So this is Mumbai here, this is Nashik, and this is Pune. Maybe a Pune thoda sa aur niche hoga. This is Pune. Okay? So Mumbai, Nasik and Pune. You need to know this. Then you need to know, you have to mark Satara. Satara thoda niche hoga. This is also the location for Mahabaleshwar. So Nasik, Pune, this is Satara. Satara, Mahabaleshwar is here. And if you want to remember this is approximately along Vishakhapatnam. Okay. You don't need to mark this, but if you have an idea, it'll be good. Vishakhapatnam is here. This is Vishakhapatnam. Does anybody know what place is this one here? Anybody knows what is this one here? Yaad hai kisi ko? This is Srikakulam and this is Vishakhapatnam. So Vishakhapatnam se approximately up westward aayenge, you get Satara here. The Satara, and Satara is also Mahabaleshwar. It's also the dam called as Shivaji Sagar. It's on a smaller river. Yes, Koyna, Satara, Mahabaleshwar. And this place here, this is Pune. Okay, I hope you remember this much. Then if you move east of Satara, on the line, rakho more or less approximate karke, aap thoda si idhar rakh lena. This is Sholapur. So we have Satara, we have Solapur. Okay, and on the vertical line, this place here is Bidar. We need these places here. This place is Bidar. Satara, Solapur, Bidar is almost straight line. This place here. So if I number them, 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. One is Mumbai, two is Nashik. Anybody knows Nashik is also what else? What else can we approximate at Nashik? Nashik पे आप approximate करना Kalsubai Peak. Nashik is also Trimbakeshwar Lake, the source of river Godavari. It's also Beal Lake, yes. And 3 is Pune. 3 is Pune, Khadagwasla. 4 is Satara. 5 is Solapur. 5 is Solapur. You need Solapur to mark the river Krishna, Solapur. And then we have 6 as Bidar. Okay, so we have got Bidar. Okay, now once you have Bidar, I hope you know how to mark Bijapur. Now dekho, you remember where we marked Panjim? Panjim, if you marked yesterday, this we marked as Panjim. Somewhere here, यहाँ पर आपका Panjim है. Remember Panjim here. Somewhere here it is Panjim. और Panjim के साथ में, like if you take Panjim and Bidar ka midpoint, somewhere here is Bijapur. Yes, okay. Panjim you will mark from Ongole. ऐसे कुछ mark किया है आप लोगों ने. From Ongole, थोड़ा सा और नीचे आ सकता है. So this is from Ongole reference. You mark Panjim, and Panjim, Bidar ka midpoint is Bijapur. Bijapur. See, this map session is not simply to draw the rivers. They help you remember what you can write about river. Yes, Mulesi Lake also. Pune, absolutely. Pune is also, ये पूछा हुआ entry था, Mulesi Lake, correct. Khadagwasla and also Mulesi Lake. 6 is Bidar, correct. 6 is Bidar, and okay, 5 is Solapur. Okay, Panjim, Bidar ka midpoint. This is Panjim. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, you are right. This is Bijapur, correct. Bijapur, Solapur, in fact, ऊपर नीचे ही हैं, more or less. Okay, Lonar Lake, yes. Okay, Buldana district. So you need these places. So what I need to mark, okay, is what I am giving you. So you need to know where is Pune, you need to know where is Solapur, you need to know where is Bijapur. Okay, where is Bijapur? And do you know where is Raichur? Bijapur, and where is Raichur? Now, Raichur is west of Machilipatnam on the vertical Delhi line. Okay, this place is Raichur here. Okay, approximately here. This is Raichur. So Machilipatnam may be somewhere here. This place here is Raichur. Okay, Raichur is where you have got Bhima and river Krishna coming and joining. That is why we need Raichur. Okay, so number क्या है? पंजिम ये mark किया आपने. This is Raichur. Raichur का numbering क्या रखे हम लोग? Raichur could be 8. And then of course we also need to know along the river delta of Krishna. Somewhere here we have Eluru, okay, or Vijayawada you can approximately mark. This is somewhere here we have Vijayawada. You need to know Vijayawada. 8 is Srikakulam. Yes. Oh, 8 is Srikakulam. So let's mark this as 9 then. Okay? Yeah, 9 will do. Fine. So I repeat, what all do you need? For Krishna marking के लिए आपको क्या-क्या चाहिए? You need Pune, Krishna river. North में we have river Bhima, and south is the main Krishna. Bhima and Krishna, they come and meet at Raichur. They will flow through Karnool. Okay, for Karnool, you just have to mark it on this line here. So ये रायचूर है. रायचूर के थोड़े से साउथ ईस्ट में अगर मार्क करोगे, somewhere here is Karnool, more or less. This place you can mark as Karnool. Number 10. So Krishna, north Bhima river, south main Krishna, they both come and join at Raichur, and then they pass through Karnool, and they pass through Vijayawada, and then we have the delta of Krishna. The Krishna delta starts from more or less from Vijayawada. So अब आपको सीधा join कर देना, nothing else. Okay, जैसे कि ये भीमा है, this is Bhima here. So Bhima river starts from near Pune. This is Pune. From near Pune. Near Pune, it passes through Solapur. Okay, this is Solapur. Comes up to here. This is Raichur. From here, it will go north like this and turn here. We come north and turn here. So if I simply draw this river, this is Pune here. This is Pune. This is Solapur. This is Raichur. Karnool, I will rise here, and this. This is your Krishna river, main Bhima. This is river Bhima. Okay, and for marking main Krishna, the main Krishna will pass through यहाँ पर सतारा है, ठीक है? From Satara, it will pass through this place here, Bijapur, and go and come here at Raichur. This is your river Krishna. Midpoint of Panjim and Bidar is Bijapur. 5 is Bijapur. This is your river Krishna. Main river system with Bhima. What all do I need? Likha maine. For Krishna, what do I need? For the northern river Bhima originates from near Pune. Likh lo. Passes through Solapur and meets river Krishna at Raichur. And jo main Krishna hai, the main Krishna source is from Mahabaleshwar, which is Satara. It passes from near, हमेशा near रखना safe होगा, भूल जाओगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. From near Bijapur and passes through Raichur, passes through Kurnool. 10 is Kurnool. Passes through Kurnool, drains into Bay of Bengal. The main delta is from Vijayawada. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? Does anybody know a reservoir at Kurnool? Sri Sailam, yes. At Kurnool we have Sri Sailam reservoir, correct. Dam, Sri Sailam, correct, Charan. And then it drains into Bay of Bengal with the delta starting at Vijayawada. इससे अच्छा और क्या होगा बताओ? This is a brilliant write-up. Next is Tungabhadra. अब Tungabhadra का source जो है, Tungabhadra river, it's a big river again. It's actually 2 rivers. One is Tunga and other is Bhadra. Okay, the 2 small rivers, Tunga and Bhadra. Okay, so the more important one is Bhadra. Bhadra ka source is from near Shimoga. In fact, Shimoga is on river Bhadra from near Shimoga. Okay, and Tunga Bhadra passes through. Okay, it passes through from near Hospet or Bellary ke paas se, and this is where we have Tunga Bhadra reservoir. Tunga is 2 rivers, river Tunga and Bhadra. Bhadra is from near Shimoga. It passes from near Hospet and Bellary, okay, and Hampi. This is the location of Bhadra reservoir also, and goes and joins the main Krishna. It joins the main Krishna near Kurnool. आपने कर्नूल मार्क किया हुआ है. Okay, do you remember how to mark Shimoga? Okay, so Mangalore. Okay, this is Mangalore. This is Chitradurg. इसके midpoints approximately somewhere here. This is Shimoga. याद आ रहा है? This is Shimoga here. Okay, और इस तरफ you have this place called as Chikmagalur, Baba Budan Hills. Okay, Shimoga Baba Budan Hills. So remember the shape here. Approximately ये shape है, and Bellary is somewhere here. यहाँ पर Bellary mark करेंगे हम. So Bellary is somewhere here, or on the line you can approximate. So your river is something like this. It's like this, goes and joins the main Krishna. All fine. So Shimoga is near Baba Budan Hills. It's also the Baba Budan Hills, Aranor and the rest. हो गया? You have got the map for Krishna river system, main Krishna river system हो गया. उसके बाद just know 2 or 3 smaller rivers. Okay, you don't have to know too much in detail, just couple of small ones. So if you know Panjim, you also know Belgaum. Panjim यहाँ पर है, Belgaum इसके थोड़ा सा north east में यहाँ पर है Belgaum. This क्या 11 mark कर दें इसको. 11 is Belgaum. So what you can do is from Belgaum you can draw a small river like this, और एक और भी ऐसा ही small river like this. ज़्यादा accuracy दिखाना नहीं यहाँ पर. Okay, a small, it's Panjim से northeast में one small river here and one small river here. The one through Belgaum is called as Mallaprabha. जो north वाला है, that is Ghat Prabha. Mallaprabha and Ghat Prabha. If they ask you Koyna river, you just have to draw one small line near Satara. That's all. One small line near Satara as river Koyna. I'll revise this. Okay, I'll do that. So what all have we marked? So you started कैसे? Okay, पहले बताओ, can you recall for river Bhima what do we need? Okay, we need to know from near Pune. What else do we need? We need to know Sholapur and we need to know Raichur. What do we need for the main Krishna? For main Krishna, you start from Satara. Satara is also Mahabaleshwar. Satara is also Mahabaleshwar, river Koyna. What else do we need? We need Bijapur. Then we need Raichur. Then what do we need? We need Karnool. We need Vijayawada. बस इतना पता होना चाहिए आपको. To mark river Koyna, what do we need? To mark river Koyna, we need Satara. To mark Mallaprabha, what do we need? To mark Mallaprabha, we need Belgaum. And if I know Mallaprabha, I also know Ghatprabha. Mallaprabha or Ghatprabha are also important bird sanctuaries. Okay, Ghatprabha पे तो falls भी है. There are also dams for that matter. Yes, there is Gokak Falls. ये पूछा हुआ question था एक बार. Yes, Mallaprabha, Ghatprabha पूछा हुआ entries हैं. In fact, there's another place called as Bagalkot. Bagalkot is on Ghatprabha. ठीक है, we can skip that much. Now, what all do we need to mark Tungabhadra? I need to have Shimoga, I need to have Bellary, Hospet, and we need to know again Karnool. This one set, this one set, this one set, Bhima and Krishna. Okay, so that's what we have done. So what did we do? Mumbai, Nasik, Pune, Satara, Solapur, Bidar, Panjim, Bidar, midpoint. This is Bijapur. From Panjim, this is Belgaum. From Ongole reference or from here, you can mark this as Raichur. So thoda sa niche aa jaoge, you get Karnool. Okay, you can also mark Raichur from this reference also. Okay, Raichur jo hai, you can also mark from this reference. So iske saath mein you can mark Raichur here. This one here, Raichur. This place is Bijapur. Bijapur se thoda sa niche hoga. And then if you have Raichur, you also have Karnool, thoda niche on the Mangalore-Bhutan line. Okay, this is river. This small river is Tunga. Bas itna hi Tunga hai. This is a very small river, Tunga yahan par. This is Bhadra river. They join and they become Tungabhadra. Yes, Ongole is in line this here. It's approximate. आप atlas खोल के देखो ना, आपको idea हो जाएगा what are we talking about. Ongole, Karnool and Panjim can be considered as almost same line here. थोड़ा सा ऊपर रायचूर रहेगा. Bellary you mark from this. इस point से थोड़ा सा इधर northwards. This is Bellary. But these entries you'll have to have practiced earlier. Okay, Bellary is iron ore, Bellary is Hampi, Bellary is Hospet iron ore, Bellary is Tungabhadra reservoir, uske aaspaas hi hai sara. So now let us see how you mark it. I'm repeating these entries for you. So here we go. So this is Mumbai, this is Nashik, this is Pune, this is Satara. Satara से vertical line यहाँ पर Solapur, Solapur यहाँ पर है Bidar. Somewhere here we have Panjim, and this midpoint somewhere here. This is Bijapur. Okay, so somewhere here, this maybe here is Raichur. This I can mark as okay, Karnool. Okay, and somewhere here is Vijayawada. So when we are drawing the rivers, you draw from Pune, Solapur, Raichur. So kuch aise bana aapka. This is river Bhima. From Satara, this goes and joins here. This is main Krishna. From here it goes north like this and drains like a delta. और यहाँ पर कहीं पर Bellary है and this is Shimoga. तो कुछ ऐसे निकाल के this becomes your Tungabhadra reservoir. Once you have Tungabhadra reservoir, this is Panjim, this is Belgaum. From Belgaum, a small river here, Mallaprabha, a small river here is Ghatprabha. बेटा इसके ऊपर ना ट्राई भी मत करना, आप भी बर्बाद होगे और सबको बर्बाद कर दोगे. This is fairly good accuracy with the detailing जगह के बारे में. You know the places. River Koyna जहाँ सतारा है यहीं पर छोटा सा डंडा बना देना, काम खत्म. North, south, eastward, who cares? There's one dot here. You draw a small line here as River Koyna. घाट प्रभा का source Western Ghats रख के चुप रहो, ज़्यादा कुछ डिटेल नहीं करना है इसको. So say you want to write about river Koyna, क्या लिखोगे बताओ? Start with logic. River is a small river. It is a head stream. It is a head stream of river Krishna. The origin is in the Western Ghats. Okay, it drains and joins Krishna from near Satara. Koyna has Koyna Dam, also called as Shivaji Sagar. And if you know about Koyna Dam, it was infamous for the reservoir-induced seismicity. याद आ रहा है? And then of course बाकी जो लिखना है लिखो. उसके बाद कोयला वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी हो नहीं हो लिख डालना, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी कहीं भी लिख लो. मैंने कहा ना एवरीबॉडी विल एग्री. हाँ, एक हमारे गांव के पीछे एक शेर देखा था मैंने. शेर का पापा को मेरे पापा ने देखा था, शेर के पापा को मेरे दादाजी ने देखा था. So the tradition continues. कह देना कोई बात नहीं. Nobody will say no. Okay, let's get on now. The next is we are doing the Godavari system. इसी मैप में कर रहे हैं. आप लोग एक फ्रेश पेज लेना है तो ले लो. I hope you have got 4-5 sets of rough sheets. देखो हम ना ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. 1.5 hours में जल्दी जल्दी करके that you have, and this is the time when you're not studying. So फटाफट देखेंगे, you are done with it. So quickly 3-4 sessions में we find this up. Okay, we are starting with Godavari system. Now for Godavari system, what do we need? I'm continuing in this itself. We need Godavari के लिए, the main Godavari from Nasik. We need Nanded. Okay, Nanded कहाँ पर है? This is east of Mumbai on the vertical Delhi line. यहाँ पर है Nanded. Okay, this is Nanded. Okay, important place. We need Nanded. Third, we need आदिलाबाद, निजामाबाद नांदेड़ में थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर कहीं मार्क कर देना, बिट साउथ यहाँ पर. You can mark this as Nizamabad. Okay, and then directly what we need is Rajamundry. This is Rajamundry here. अगर इतना पता है, it will be done. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so numbering इस sheet में numbering किया नहीं है मैंने. So this is 1, this is Nashik 1. This is Nanded 2, this is Nizamabad 3, and this is Rajamundry. This is 4. 1 is Nashik, and Nashik is also, remember, Kalsubai Peak. Nashik is also Trimbakeshwar Lake. 2 is Nanded. Nanded, just know that one of the important towns here of the central, okay, Marathwada region, Nanded. Yes, correct. You're right. And 3 is Nizamabad. It's a Purane Bahmani kingdoms. Nizamabad, they also came under the rule of Nizam. Historical centers hai Nizamabad, he pass mein Adilabad and the rest. And 4 is Rajamundry. Rajamundry is on Godavari. Rajamundry is where the delta of, okay, I do not know this Pallab. Aapne kya likha? Guru Tagaddi for Sikhism. Okay. At Nanded? Yes, Nanded Gurdwara. Correct. Okay. I didn't know it's called as Guru Da Gaddi. Okay. Gaddi hoga. Sorry. Okay. ठीक है. Nanded Gurdwara. Absolutely correct. You are right. So 4th is Rajamundry. Rajamundry is where the delta of Godavari starts. इतना पता है Godavari mark हो गया आपका. You just have to join this. Okay, and don't join as a straight line. थोड़ा सा ऐसे टेढ़ा वेढ़ा करके show your creativity in managing this. This becomes the main Godavari. ठीक है? And then you must draw river Manjara. Now for river Manjara, you need 2-3 other entries. The river Manjara के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? We need Ahmednagar, Delhi और vertical line का midpoint है. This is Ahmednagar, you need this, okay, and you also need Bidar आपने mark कर रखा है, okay, this is Bidar here. So for Manjara, start from near Ahmednagar like this, take it through Bidar, turn करके, join it near Nizamabad. That's all. Okay, or maybe you could from near Ahmednagar, Bidar, and something like this. This is your river Manjara. Okay, so for Manjara is the largest right bank tributary. Source of Manjara is from near Ahmednagar, and Bidar is on Manjara. Yeah, you can say so, Pranshu. And it joins the main Godavari near Nizamabad. It joins the main Godavari near Nizamabad. And if you know the mountain systems, what is the mountain system between Manjara and main Godavari? Okay, this could be your discussion points here. So there is a mountain range here. There is a mountain range here. पता है आपको? Balaghat range, correct. The mountain range जो पहला वाला है, okay, the mountain range, this is Balaghat range. Okay, and this is Harishchandra range. Harishchandra range separates Godavari basin from Krishna basin. And Balaghat separates the divide between main Godavari and Manjara. के बीच में Balaghat है और Harishchandra है between the entire Godavari system and the Krishna system. Now we need to mark couple of other entries. Part of the Godavari system ही mark करेंगे हम लोग. Now, there is one small river called as Purna River. Okay, it goes and joins the Godavari near Nanded. There is a river here, Purna. This is river Purna. River Purna joins Godavari near Nanded. अब आप बताओ पूर्णा के बारे में और कुछ नहीं पता. What will you write down? What will you write about river Purna? A tributary, a left bank tributary of Godavari, a left bank tributary of Godavari. Source क्या होगा इसका? What mountain do you think we have here? यहाँ पर कौन सा mountain है? Say Satpura Hills. No, Satpura North हो गया. This is Ajanta Satmala Hills. Sorry, okay, Ajanta Satmala Hills. So Purna River from, okay, many of you forget कि इधर सतमाला है या इधर सतमाला है, तो keep it together. ये बड़ा from near Satmala and Ajanta Hills, drains parts of Nadan Karnataka, joins Godavari near Nanded. और कुछ लिख पाएंगे आप? Let's see what you can bluff here. Anybody knows what is this area important for? बड़े ये सब cotton region है ना, मराठवाड़ा cotton region, sugar cane थोड़ा नीचे है. Sholapur is more sugar cane. Okay, so mention this is an important irrigation source for the cotton cultivators of Nadan. In Nadan, Maharashtra, यहाँ पर क्या region होगा? Does anybody know what are the places, some of the places here? ये बार यहाँ पर मालेगांव, जलगांव, उतना ही लिख दो, हो गया आपका. ऐसे ना देखो, if you know the map locations in terms of marking properly, उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हो. उसके बाद जो लिखना है लिखो, pollution है and eutrophication है. Recently, I mean recently news for pesticide pollution. ऐसा कोई river है इंडिया में जहाँ पर pesticide problem नहीं है? और जो बचा कुचा था अभी आंध्र प्रदेश, we are talking about it, right? Okay, that's about it. Okay, so this is river Purna. This is river Purna. Next is you need to mark Nagpur. Nagpur. Now see, Nagpur is along Silvassa. Okay, if you know where Silvassa is, okay, यहाँ से you'll have to go eastwards. You have to go eastwards. ये जो vertical line है, okay, somewhere here. So यहाँ पर this is Silvassa, somewhere here. Go eastwards from here. यहाँ कहीं पर you have got Nagpur. And if you remember on this side, on this vertical line, यहाँ पर है Durg. So you need to know Nagpur. So यहाँ पर Silvassa, this place is Silvassa. From Silvassa, this is Nagpur. Remember this vertical line. ये जो vertical line है, इस vertical line के थोड़ा सा west में है. On this side, okay, you can say almost this and this are equidistant, almost. This is Durg Bhilai, and this is Nagpur. And a bit below Nagpur, remember, is a place called as Chandrapur. यहाँ पर कहीं पर a place called as Chandrapur. A bit below, you can approximate on your scale. Place called Chandrapur. I need this much to mark another 2-3 rivers. Once we have this, now see, just see how I'm marking. Purna आसान है बेटा. You have got Nanded से बस एक line बना देना है ये वाला. Is Nanded? Just draw one small line here. This is river Purna. In fact, एक पूर्णा towards गोदावरी है और एक पूर्णा towards तपी भी है. पूर्णा is a tributary, okay, दो river का same है, ठीक है? So पूर्णा एक north भी जाती है towards river तपी also. Okay, this is Purna for Godavari, and we also have one इसी के पास में है towards north तपी. This is river Purna, ठीक है? Then I'm saying you have to mark another 3-4 rivers. Okay, you need Nagpur for that. ये आपका main river बन गया. Main river, remember, it is starting from Nasik, Nanded, Nizamabad, Rajahmundry. Then this is Ahmednagar, Bidar. You draw a loop like this near Nizamabad. This is river Manjara. Nanded, एक हल्का सा line ये है river Purna. Now I need Nagpur, and I need below Nagpur. You assume maybe आपके scale में this is Chandrapur. Okay. Now you have to draw 2 lines on either side. Okay. एक ऐसे बनाना towards and और एक इधर बनाना to Chandrapur. The one on the left, this is Wardha river. The one on the right, this is Vainganga river. Okay. This is river Wardha. This is river Vainganga. This is Nagpur. नागपुर के नीचे चंद्रपुर है. इधर एक डंडा है, ये है वार्धा रिवर. इधर है वैनगंगा रिवर. And then what you do is you have to simply draw one line. ज्यादा कुछ सोचना नहीं है. Okay, draw this line through Chandrapur and let it join somewhere here. This is river Painganga. यहाँ से यहाँ तक this is Painganga, and this river जो combined stream है, this is called as river Pranhita. This river is Painganga, and यहाँ के बाद Vainganga and this small river here, this is river Pranhita. Pranhita ये combined stream है, and this is river Painganga. Okay, this is Nanded, okay, and come eastwards. Somewhere here, this place is Jagdalpur. From Jagdalpur, if you draw a line like this is Indravati, goes and joins the river. And I told you about Jagdalpur, Indravati, Bastar River, left-wing extremism, dams, source from Eastern Ghats, lifeline of Bastar, like a small river, tributary of Godavari. That's fair enough. One small river here is also Sileru River. I think this much is enough. You do not have to know more than this. So let me help you revise, okay? Let me help you revise. So what we have is Mumbai, Nasik, Pune, Ahmednagar. Nasik, इसके साथ में है Nanded. A bit here is Nizamabad, okay, and this. So you have to join this. Okay, let's do it. Nasik, this is यहाँ से यहाँ पर, this one here. This is Nanded, this is Nizamabad, and this is Rajamundry. So what you must do is from Nasik, Nanded, Nizamabad, come here, you draw this. Then Mumbai and this line के बीच में, Mumbai and this line के बीच में यहाँ पर है Ahmednagar. This is Ahmednagar. You already have marked Bidar. This is Bidar. This is Satara, Solapur, Bidar. So if you join this like this is Manjara. Nanded के पास में this small river is Purna. This is Purna. This is Silvassa here. Silvassa से इधर आओ. यहाँ पर है Nagpur. This is Nagpur here. This is okay Durg here. Nagpur से थोड़ा नीचे यहाँ पर है Chandrapur. Okay, this is river Wardha. This is river Vainganga. This long river is Painganga, like this, joins here. This is Painganga, and this becomes the combined stream called as Pranhita. Once we have Nanded, okay, this is Nanded. Nanded से ही आप इधर आओगे, so this place here, okay, if you go east from here, this is Jagdalpur, और यहीं से एक ऐसे river निकाल लेना, this is Indravati, and this is river Sileru. Yes, Hasdeo is on river Mahanadi. Hasdeo is a tributary of Mahanadi. No. They are two different rivers. Sileru का tributary है Sabari. One tributary here called as Sabari River. This is Sileru River. This is Sabari River, and this is Indravati. All done, all of you. This is Sileru River. This river here. This is Sileru River. This is Indravati. So I think we have taken care of southern India. Okay, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari. और बेटा इसके beyond पूछेगा, have no guilt. Okay, in leaving the questions. You have a fair idea about the places, locations, जगह पता है, इसके beyond मत करना. ठीक है? Fine then. Bye bye all of you.